Hey, what's up everyone, Nathan here, and in today's video I'm gonna share with you 4 legit online work from home jobs you can start today. That's right, all you have to do is stay with me, but first, if you're new around here, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel because I upload videos about how to make money online, work from home opportunities, internet marketing related tips and much more on a consistent basis, and hit the notification bell also so you can be notified every time I upload a new video. Alright, well, as I said, we're going to have a look at 4 legit online work from home jobs that you can get started with today. Now, 2 things here. First, make sure you watch the whole video so you don't miss out on any important information. And second, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunities, so if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. But this is a perfect opportunity to get started with and make few extra bucks while you build your real online business there. So with that being said, let's get started. Okay, so the first site that we're going to have a look at today is Worldwide 101. And here is where we can apply to some kind of virtual assistant here. So if you have a look at it, this is the main site. You get ridiculously talented remote staff without the hiring. So we're talking about premium virtual assistants, marketers, and more on a monthly subscription here. Now, what we are interested in is actually scroll down to the bottom and we want to go to the section where it says we're hiring. So this is how it looks, and you can see here great clients, rewarding work and the flexibility of working virtually. We're going to hit, of course, the apply to join us, and we need to fill in all the details there. But let's have a quick look here. Worldwide 101's team of talented professionals has left behind the daily commute for the advantages of working virtually. Okay, for some it is about having a more flexible schedule or the freedom to spend winter somewhere warm and so on. So this is definitely a work from home job, as they tell you here. Now, you can see here we're actively hiring for these positions. If you think you're a good fit to be an executive assistant, marketing and social media specialist, project manager, executive assistant. So basically, I think we can have a quick look here at this. It explains exactly in detail, so you can have a look at it if you think you are a good fit for it. It tells you exactly what they require from you. You can see here your skills and so on. So they start to pay at $20 per hour, which is pretty good, I would say. This is 100% remote, okay, so work from home definitely. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And of course there is more jobs. You do need to apply, so they are not actually announcing all the jobs that is available here on the site. So this is a perfect opportunity to be some kind of virtual assistant. They do have tons of services that they offer, so you do need to have a look at this at your own pace actually to see if you think you can apply for something. So make sure you go to worldwide101.com/jobs. Alright, so that is about being some kind of a virtual assistant. Alright, so another very popular site that you can apply for different kind of online jobs, legit online jobs, is actually appen.com. Appen.com, a very popular site. 2 of the works that come into my mind is you can be a social media evaluator or search engine evaluator. They tell you actually to go to Google, which you probably already do, and search for specific keywords, and they want to see how some sites are performing there, if they are highly ranked and so on. And pretty similar if you are a social media evaluator. They tell you to go to Facebook and see if you can see some specific ads and so on. So they want the feedback to improve, of course, their advertising, some of the big companies there. So go to appen.com here, and you can see you can either go to careers or you can actually go to find flexible jobs also. You can see here raters, flexible part-time home-based work that requires a computer and or mobile device. Language jobs, there is also transcription, translation and linguistic jobs here. Some micro tasks that you can apply for, and some corporate jobs. So really more than 4 legit online jobs here. Very popular and well-known company, Appen.com. So go ahead and apply here so you can get started with some kind of a legit online work from home job here. Alright, opportunity number 3 is you can be some kind of online tutoring. You can do the teaching, for example. You can teach English online, and VIPKid.com is probably one of the most popular. You can see here you can earn anywhere from $14 to $22 per hour by teaching English online, and you pick your own hours there. There is of course more sites if you think you are interested in teaching English only, but this is probably one of the most popular to get started with. And it's definitely a good way to work from home, of course, also. You pick your own times there, whenever you want, and how much job you want to take on also. So VIPKid.com, you can get started with that. We have another site which is WeWorkRemotely.com. You can see here WeWorkRemotely.com is the largest community on the web with over 2.5 million monthly visitors to find and list remote jobs that aren't restricted by commutes or a specific location. So that means that you can work from anywhere as long as you have an internet connection and some kind of a computer, of course. So you can see here there is tons of jobs here. We have programming jobs. There is all other jobs here. iTutor, for example, product jobs, sales and marketing jobs, and everything is remote. Okay, they work remotely here. So just let's have a quick look here at the first job. So basically you can go in and check out all the details, the requirement and so on here. Okay, exactly, so you can see what this is all about. So make sure you head over to WeWorkRemotely.com to see if you can find something that is in interest for you to work from home here. And finally, site number 4 is ModSquad.com. Mod Squad, you can see here what we are the mod sourcing, what we do. So if I go here, they tell you actually our mods provide the resources you need to survive and thrive in today's digital world. The world's favorite brands rely on us for moderation, customer support, community and social. So there is a few opportunities here, data entry jobs and so on also. And what we need to do is actually, if I go back here, let's see, I think we have, you can basically go to the join the mods here. Okay, so if we open this, join the mods, there is a video that you can have a look at, but you can see that they are pros in digital engagement. They do anything from moderating forums, chatting with customers, managing communities and buzzing in the social media there. So definitely a lot of options that you also can do from the comfort of your home here. And this is a legit company as well. So there you have it, 4 legit online work from home jobs you can get started with today. Now, as I said in the beginning, you're probably not going to get rich with this kind of opportunities. So if you're interested in making a full-time passive income online, you want to check out my #1 recommendation right here below. Alright, if you got some value out of this video, I really do appreciate if you hit the like button below. Don't leave yet, you find an end screen with 2 channel recommendations. Both are mine and both are related to work from home, make money online, internet marketing related tips and much more. So make sure you subscribe to both and you hit the notification bell also so you can be notified, of course, every time I upload a new video. Plus, you also find another video recommendation there. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you soon.